How we going, guys? I'm back out camping. I'm camping with Lewis, my nephew. He's got his own channel. What's your channel again, Lewis?
Evil Joker #1 gamer.
Evil Joker #1 gamer. Right, look at his face. Look. What? He's been stealing coal. Look, I don't know. Look at him. Are you dressed to come camping, Lewis?
Yes.
Do you think, look, he's got big dirty marks on him, look. Where have you been? My mother. And we've got Lewis, Ollie.
Oh my god.
He's picking up sheep poo. Look at that, look. Are you collecting the sheep poo?
No, I'm collecting the rocks.
They're not rocks. Oh, honestly, they're not rocks. Look.
I'm throwing the rocks.
They're not rocks. Look.
Bring that Kira back out, Lewis, will you?
Yeah, so easy camp this one. I've brought in my car. You can park your car right there. For anybody that's not been to Loch Doon, you should camp at Loch Doon. Great place. There is a campsite up here. You can put your caravan, that kind of thing. But yeah, this is where I'm going to camp. Right here. I've got my fire pit. I'll fix that for tonight. I've brought plenty of firewood. So, there we go, guys. Next I'll bring you back. My tent will be set up, so. What's your channel again, Liz?
Evil Joker #1 gamer.
Evil Joker #1 gamer.
Tell me that.
Yeah, it's a piece of wood. Yeah, it's burnt, yeah.
Thanks.
That's why you're black.
No, you bald.
Yeah.
But Daddy.
That's us set up, guys, right? That's my... Wait there. That's Lewis's tent. That's my usual Vango, right? We're sitting inside the tent because it's pretty windy, and I'm wondering, I'm like, where's Lewis? He's sitting out here, right? And I'm thinking, what's he doing out there? I come out, look. That's why he's out. Look, doesn't want to share his Harry boys, look.
Oh, what do you want?
Doesn't want to share. Oh. Let me see. All mines! So that's me set up, my usual tent, the Vango Sabre 200. Here's where I'm camping, Loch Doon. Great place, honestly. Right, so this is my setup, what I've got. Car camping, so I bring everything. Everything, you can bring anything when you come car camping. I've brought the 5 free. That's my bag of food for tonight. Arctic sleeping bag, that's for Ollie. Self-inflating mat, and I've got one of those reflective mat things. My bed, and I forgot my sleeping bag. You can't believe it. I was planning to use that sleeping bag to line the floor, but at least I've brought a sleeping bag. It's a summer sleeping bag, but it'll do me, I'm sure. I will survive. So that's my setup. We've got cans of juice, all the usual. Donuts, all the usual things that kids love. Food, that's more food, more bags of food. Yeah, and this is my other tent that I've... this is one of my old tents that I don't really use it much, but Lewis and my mother don't have a tent, so I've let them use it. This is just one of those Argos kind of cheap tents. Sure, we've all seen them, the usual. Great for summer. Personally, I don't know if I'd use it in winter, but it'll be fine, I'm sure. It's not going to rain tonight. Mine's is 5,000 hydrostatic head, and this one I think's only like 2,000, which is okay. It's just an overnight we're doing, so it'll be fine. It's a spacious little tent, I will say. For £25 it's fine. If you just go camping in the summer, or weekend camping when it's drier weather. But yeah, there's lots of room in it. they've got their beds. I need to put their beds up, but they've brought sleeping bags and duvet covers. They're not your usual campers, but whatever. Anything works done, but at least they're out, aren't they? So yeah, I need to blow their beds up for them. So that'll be my next job, blow the beds up. Right, that's us. There's the #1 joker cutting up the campfire wood. It's just scraps of wood that we bring with us. He's showing me how to cut it up. I'm using my bosa. Keep going, muscles. Oops.
Why did you put this? Just for grip.
The paracord. Why did I put the paracord on? Because you never know if you might need paracord, don't you?
What?
And then, you never know if you might need paracord. Take the piece of wood, Ollie. Right. I'll do the first one, right? And you do the next one. Right.
That's on fire. What's your name on it? Oh, wow. It's broken, is it? Oh, no.
Right, do you reckon you can do it like that, Liz?
No.
Easy, right? And obviously, when you're doing likes of this, right?
Ollie, do you want London?
Liz, look. See the piece of wood, right? You hold it like that,
Yeah.
right? So that you're not chopping your fingers off. Right, so there we go.
Ollie.
Little bits of kindling. Right, you want to try it next, Liz?
Make
Do it for the
mine.
camera.
Make mine and put Ollie again.
Yeah. Where is the lipstick?
Oh, it finished. What was? Oh, is this yours?
The entrance to the castle. I heard there's a smelly troll lives in this castle, and his name is Lewis. Oh.
In my castle, dude. Get up.
I don't know what he's speaking. Some kind of double Dutch language there, but yeah. I came in here one time and there was a person camping right in there. Look. Imagine putting your tent in here. I suppose you'd be sheltered from the wind, but wouldn't you? But think of all the people that are coming in here to see the castle. And see the hill. Me and Ollie have been away up there. I've got a video. It was only about 2 when we went up. This is the remains of Doon Castle. The castle used to be, oh, the lock's too high, but it used to be in there. Over there, but then they flooded the lock, and that was why they moved us. But yeah, there's a little bit of snow up there. Lovely view of this, isn't it? There's Lewis climbing the wall. Sounds as if he's 52 or something. Look, what age are you, Lewis? 11. And he's panting like that, climbing the wall. Look.
Gotta bring Ollie up. Ollie, one up.
Let's kneel down. Let's go down.
This is from EWM.
You know what you're sitting in, Liz?
Fireplace.
It's a fireplace.
Oh, yo, I'm so hot.
See when this was a castle, right? See, that's where the floor was up here, right? Do you know what the underneath was? It's where they kept all the animals and that kind of thing. Do you know why they kept the animals down here? It was to keep the heat in.
Use the animals get out.
So, and then yous were up there and that was the big fireplace. This would have been a big grand castle.
Oh, this is actually a good view of that snow bit.
Yeah, it's snowing over there. What?
Do you want to show them?
He's get- Oh, that's me.
Monkey challenge.
There's the outside of the castle, guys. That we were just done.
I'm the power waiter.
Let's go.
Right, Lewis just says that I'm too embarrassed to do a Michael Jackson, right? So I'm going to accept the challenge, right? So here we go. This is what we call the moonwalk by the Scottish Wanderer. Right? How do we do it? You go back the way and you go. Ow! Do it a bit more. Ow!
I'm Dad. You're a power waiter.
Just at the castle there. Look, I'm coming back. Look.
Disgrace.
Disgrace, Lewis. That's another disgrace. Look at this. Look. There's bottles and cans. Look.
Pick up your litter.
Yep. Look at it.
And you're a power waiter.
There's a bin right over there. Look.
I'm not a power waiter pig.
My God.
You're a power waiter pig. I am power waiter wet.
So what do we call that, Lewis?
Disgrace.
Should be ashamed of ourselves, shouldn't we?
You shouldn't be camping.
Yeah.
No, you're a power waiter pig.
Pink.
You're not pig. You're olly.
That's my hot dogs on, guys. There we go, look. Hot dogs. Hot dogs by the loch. Can't beat them, can you? Got my water on, having a cup of tea, and my hot dogs are ready. Got the spam. I had to cut them that way. I had to use the tin because I forgot my knife. Yeah, bit of a mad rush, but spam. And I've got my hot dogs. Mm. 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 Mm, mm, mm. That's my view, guys, on the loch. Loch.
I got that one.
Mm.
I got that one.
Mm.
I got that one.
Mm, mm. Lovely jubbly. Mm. There's my hot chocolate ready. Look at that. Does that look good?
Oh, come and sit over here. Yeah, just next to the house. Oh, my phone's down at the battery.
Okay.
You got to pretend this is our camera. Tayo!
Who wants some spam? Do you want some spam, Ollie?
Yes!
Oh, look at that. There's a typhoon away past.
That's a jet.
It's a typhoon.
Yeah. Mix this over a little.
Look at it. Boom! I got that in video too. But yeah, who wants some spam? You want some, Ollie?
Yes!
You do a spam dance? Yeah, that's as good as my dances, that one. I wonder where you get that from. You must take your good dancing from me, Ollie.
They love milk dance.
So yeah, we'll have some burnt spam. It tastes better when it's burnt. I found this, look. Somebody's done the St Andrew's flag. 2002. Or is that 2004? No, 2002. Don't know what that's for. Yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, we're going down here. We're going down to the loch. How do you say it, Lewis?
Loch!
Yeah. Loch!
Loch Doon!
Come down there because it's got to be there. You ready?
You come over here, Ollie, because he's going to throw that big rock in. You don't want to get wet. Come over here.
I need your name.
Come here. Ollie,
Ollie, go to Daddy. Are you coming over?
Come over.
I'll take you over, right?
I saw this pot. I saw a pot. I saw a pot.
Yeah.
Ah! That baby's on my pot. I said.
Right, I turned the camera off there, but Lucy, it's like a diving platform. Look. Are you going in that water, Luce? It is. I know it might not look cold, but it is -2 or something. Honestly, it is cold here. Wind chill is unbelievable. I know there's no snow, but yeah, it's cold.
It's like a race.
Look, Ollie, you can second that.
That wind is unbelievable, isn't it, Luce?
What?
Are you cold?
Can you just your tongue
Oh.
with a face?
But yeah, look, you can't beat this, can you not? Look. Little kind of, whatever it is, concrete structure
Oh,
type
remember
thing.
that deal you said where you got to jump off that backwards? On your arse?
Is that Chinese, Luce?
I don't understand the Scottish. Scottish.
There's some mountains in the back there. We'll forget about the
Me, Dad.
Scottishman. Look at that, lovely mountains.
Ollie, look.
What?
Do you want to be in the video, Ollie?
Yes.
There's Ollie. What's your name? Ollie Wanderer.
See, Ollie Wanderer.
I don't say that. I say I bet.
What's your name? Ollie.
I bet Phil.
Number 1 wild camper.
Yes.
You number 1?
Yes.
Number 1 wild camper.
To the number 2
Yes.
spot.
Yeah, you're down to number 2, yeah. Psh.
And you're down to number 10.
Me, I'm about a number a million.
I'm
Me.
number 1.
But yeah, the mountains, look at them with the
Me and
snow.
Ollie are number 1. We're a team.
Yeah, you're number 1. Look at that with that snow. That is, I'm going to take a picture of that. That's going to go on Instagram.
Can we go there?
Go up the mountain.
Go on the mountain.
It's the Merrick, that's called.
What's that?
That's what the mountain's called, Merrick.
I think
We'll camp up there in summertime, Lewis, right? I wouldn't do it in the winter. There's snow up there. Oh. But yeah, wind is unbelievable. Right, we're going back up then.
Wait, can I just
There's where we're camping, guys. We're up there. Oh, Lewis is want to show you some stones. Look. Bushcraft Lewis here has got his own fire gun. I don't want to have to use my fire. My roaring fire here, look. They want to use their own. Little twigs, put little twigs on it, yeah. Get everything on. So, chilling by the fire next to the loch. Oh, can't beat this.
Want to go drag yourself, Ollie?
Any marshmallows?
Yeah,
Oh, there.
I hold the noodles.
Supposed to be like that.
Yeah, Rupert.
How you supposed to eat them?
Did you pay to camp here? Did you pay, Liz? Did you pay to camp here? Did you? Who did you pay? You pay me? £5 to camp here. Oh, look at this. Look, camping for free, having the marshmallows. Look, living the dream.
No, it's on the mountain in the beach.
Oh, look, get it right in here. Look. Oh, yeah, burn that, baby, burn that. Oh, look at that.
Ah, fuck!
Liz.
Sorry. Just get
What? It burnt.
Look at that. Yummy, yummy.
That.
I don't think I can
Look.
eat that like that.
Look at Nanus. Look at Nanus, it's so flat.
Yeah, I don't think you should eat that.
I don't think so.
That you gotta toss one and not done.
Right there, Ollie.
I got the bottom.
Marshmallow stuck to my gloves.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Getting the marshmallows on, look. Oh, lovely.
I like bubbling for my bag in there as
They're
well.
too hot.
They're too hot. Right, wait till cool down a wee bit.
That they did. You need to put on my
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Get marshmallows on there.
yes,
No. There you go. You should do it, time lapse.
Do one with this camera, look.
There.
Yeah. I need to get a GoPro. Personally, I don't have £300 to buy a GoPro, so.
No one, please.
Will it come and sit next to me, Ollie?
That one for you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Just give me one more. Ollie,
I got one.
have another one.
I don't need another.
Little fire's burning away nicely here. But yeah, it's a minute. I think it's bedtime. So I'll catch you in the morning, guys. Are you going to bed, Ollie? Yeah. Good night, Lewis. Night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, babe. Good night, babe.
Night, guys. That's us in my tent. Are we in my tent, Ollie?
Yes,
Nice and cosy.
yes,
That Lewis is keeping us awake.
yes.
Yeah, go to sleep, Lewis.
What?
Go to sleep.
Oh,
Good night, John. Bye.
who's that?
Good night, Mary Ellen.
Who's Mary Ellen?
John Boy's sister.
Who's John Boy? Is that my
You don't know who John Boy is?
Yeah, don't worry.
He's a donkey, isn't he?
Yeah, dirty list.
Is he a donkey?
Yes. Dirty.
Right, go to bed, you heavy donkey.
Yeah, dirty.
She's off that donkey.
Yeah, heavy donkey.
Good night, guys.
Yeah, heavy donkey. But
This is a view from my tent. Look at that. What a view. The amount of times that I camp here, I still love it. Look at that. I still love Loch Doon. You can't beat Loch Doon. It's awesome. That's my view from my tent. Merrick. There's my tent. Right there. There's Ollie in the tent. There's the remains of my fire. I'm just going to leave the logs. I'm sure somebody will burn them. And the pine, I'm taking the pine away with me. But I've got the logs here, so I'll just leave them and tidy all of this up. So, breakfast time, guys. I'm going to have some sausage. Oh man, making my breakfast. Look,
the money I be breakfast.
I've left my frying pan sitting next to the fire, and all the ashes went on my frying pan, so
And I got my shoes.
I can't use that now, can I? But luckily, I brung the house frying pan. I know people don't like these ones, but at least it's clean. So breakfast time.
But I got stew.
Yeah.
When I got stew on the
Sit down, Ollie.
stew shop.
So what I'm having is I'm having
stew in the stew shop.
bacon.
I be bunless.
And the steak sausage.
It's just the sausage. It's Debbie sausage. It's silly sausage. Like,
Oh yeah, and I'll have a can of Rockstar. Look. The bubble burst one. Lovely.
I don't want bubble buster. This 5, 4, 3, 2.
So there's my stove that I'm using. The Coleman 533. Great stove.
I'm burning my head. Fire.
Look at that, bim. Awesome stuff.
I want so that the bees are me.
Oh.
That I want some.
It's all mines, all mines.
There. I want some.
Yeah, you can have some.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Would you like some?
Yes.
Yes. But it's all mines.
We both get some.
Well, it's all ours. All ours.
It's all.
Can you say it's all ours?
It's all ours.
I was meaning to the camera, Ollie.
Oh.
Look, say it again. Right, it's all ours.
It's all ours. Maybe bring in the bottom into the pipe bowl. And pipe bowl. Let's see. You see that bird? That was on night time. On nighttime. Nighttime I was on there and I saw the bird. And I saw me outside. It's all hours.
Is the food all ours, Ollie?
Yes.
All ours?
Yes.
This is for VB Ed down in Australia. He asked me, how can you take eggs with you when you go camping? Will you get one of these? I got this from China on eBay. It was like, I don't know, £1 I think. £1 and you can get 2. Or it was £1.50, £1.50 and you could get 6. Can you open that, Lewis? I think you could get 12 for £2.
No, we took your voices. 9, 10, 11, 12. It like seemed like the ham. Up.
Hold the camera, Lewis, and I'll do it.
No, I'm holding it. Baby break, Bobby with the foot, Bobby with the foot. Just stop it, Bobby. I want some eggs, Dad. Yummy.
Ollie's breakfast. What have you got? Steak sausage?
And cheese.
2 pieces of cheese.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yes, it's really good.
That's really good. My breakfast. Lucy's breakfast. We're all eating the steak sausage.
My breakfast.
Yeah, you've eaten yours. Next for the Manor feast, we're having at Loch Doon for breakfast. We're having the potato scones. Look at this. In my tent, just chilling. I've got some steak sausage. I'm going to have some of that. Cumberland sausages. What else have we got? Bacon. Eggs. We're living the dream here. Look at this. Got the Bahamas here.
Bahamas!
The Bahamas in the winter, winter.
Bahamas with the butt.
Whereas I'm sure even the Bahamas in the winter's nice.
Bahamas with a butt.
There we go, guys. That's me. I'm finally packed up. Lucy's tent was over there. My tent was there. No mess. Just the usual. Leave no trace. I've seen a lot of people leave like rubbish and all that kind of thing. Which there was rubbish left here, but I've picked it all up. Even my rubbish and other people's rubbish. So it's my bag of rubbish, and half of that's somebody else's, whoever it was. I've left the firewood, but somebody will use that. The fire pit was here when I came, so I'm sure somebody will benefit from the firewood that I've left for them. So there we go. This is where I'm camping. The caravan park is up there, so easy camp. It was because I came with Lewis and Ollie. They don't want to walk, so this is perfect for people who don't want to walk very far. So, cheers for watching, guys. Cheers for watching. So, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. I forgot to say, that's the snow coming on just as I'm leaving. Typical. Look. It's coming from here, this way. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but that was cold last night. That was really cold. I think the wind was coming over that mountain. I'm never camping in this spot again. So, cheers guys, I'm off.